विलेजर्स को दी गई ट्रेनिंग टेररिज्म के खिलाफ लड़ने के लिए इंडियन आर्मी के द्वारा। और भी क्या न्यूज आप यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में इस न्यूज़पेपर से यूज कर सकते हैं, देखते हैं। बिफोर यू मूव फर्दर, द इंपॉर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स, केस स्टडी एंड फैक्ट फ्रॉम दिस न्यूज़पेपर यू विल गेट एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। आप इसके स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। IMD India saw fifth driest December in 124 years. This article is very important for prelims point of view because the concepts in this article has been asked multiple times. So you should know the reasons behind feeble western disturbance, no strong easterly winds, no wind interactions over central India region, and the Madden-Julia oscillations. Moving forward, fourth has 10 villages to defend themselves against terrorists. So nearly about 150 village defense guards has been trained villagers to defend themselves against terrorists. Moving forward, gig workers concern must be addressed fairly. This can be used in GS1, even in GS2, even in GS3. As the PYQ has been asked in GS1. So you can start with a great intro of Niti Aayog report, plagued gig and platform worker at 7.7 million in 2021 to 2022, estimated to touch 23.5 million by 2029-30. And from prelims point of view, you should know the exact 4 labor codes. And under the new labor code, gig and platform worker have been formally defined and recognized. Moving forward, between India and European Union, a carbon gap and an FTA bridge. And from prelims point of view, the important concept is the CBM, which states that from prelims point of view, the important concept is the CBAM, which is Carbon Border Adjustment Tax. The European Union will tax import based on carbon emissions generated during production. So, and from mains point of view, it is important to know that the major export of India's iron and steel are exported to European Union, and the new tax could wipe out up to 16 to 22% of the actual price received. Moving forward, navigating a world without bombs. This can be a great example in GS2 if the question comes on rule-based international order changes. You can post some of the examples in intro in like Ukraine faces spaces to trade territory for peace. China threatens to take over Taiwan with force. Washington own national security strategy, etc. And from Prelims point of view, it is very important to know the new members which has added on BRICS like Iran, UAE, Egypt, Ethiopia, and Indonesia followed in 2025. Moving forward, a shift in the climate narrative as Paris Pact comes under scrutiny. This article is very important for Prelims point of view because the recent COP30 on Belém, Brazil. So you should know the basic facts in this article, which is asked multiple times in PYQ in Prelims. So the Kyoto Protocol, it was adopted in 1997 and came force in 2005. It aims to reduce global greenhouse gases emissions and combat global warming. And the more important fact like Paris Agreement, which states the rise in global temperature must not go above 2 degrees Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels. And another important fact for prelims is the Montreal Protocol, which adopted in 1988 to repairing the ozone layer. That's your UPSC ready news for today. Stay consistent, stay hydrated until tomorrow's news. All the very best.